Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you all are well. You're watching One Life Cars, and on this channel I teach you guys how to fix your car. In today's video I'm going to teach you, or show you should I say, where the OBD port is for the Ford Fiesta. Fairly simple video, fairly straightforward, but if you need to connect a code scanner to your car you might not know where it is, so I'm going to show you. Let's go. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is look straight underneath your steering wheel where you're sat. This is a right-hand drive car. I don't know if they're still on the driver's side on the left-hand drive car or they're always on this side, but for UK models, right-hand drive Fiestas, this is your OBD port. Now look straight down and straight under your steering wheel, so I'm now under the steering wheel, and we're going to head towards the pedals, and you'll see straight away a little flap there. Now, if you open this flap, you'll see a port in the back of it, and that, guys, is where you connect your OBD port. I think a lot of them are called OBD2 scanners, things like that. But yeah, that is how to find your OBD port for the Ford Fiesta. Hope you found this useful, guys. See you in the next one.